Welcome back to the car updates. The 2025 Honda City continues to offer a solid mix of efficiency and drivability. Depending on your region, it comes with either a 1.5-liter IVTC petrol engine or a 1.5-liter IDTC diesel engine, both of which have been tuned for improved fuel economy and lower emissions. The petrol variant delivers approximately 119 horsepower and is mated to either a 6-speed manual transmission or Honda's refined CVT gearbox. The diesel, while slightly less powerful, shines in long-distance efficiency and torque delivery. For those looking for an eco-friendly option, Honda has also introduced a mild hybrid version that uses a small battery and electric motor to assist in acceleration and regenerative braking. The hybrid system doesn't require external charging and seamlessly integrates into your driving experience, especially in stop-and-go traffic. Driving the 2025 City is a genuinely pleasant experience. The suspension has been reworked slightly to better absorb road imperfections while maintaining that firm, connected feel Honda drivers love. The steering is light yet responsive, making city driving a breeze and highway cruising stable and confident. Whether you're navigating tight urban streets or cruising down the expressway, the City manages to deliver a composed and comfortable ride. Sound insulation has also been improved, minimizing road and engine noise, especially at higher speeds. This is where the 2025 model really steps up in offering a more premium feel. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that looks and feels a notch above its class. Honda has paid special attention to cabin materials, using soft-touch plastics, chrome accents, and a redesigned dashboard layout that feels both ergonomic and modern. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system is now standard across most trims and includes Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Physical buttons for climate control remain, which is a relief for those who prefer tactile feedback over navigating through touch menus while driving. The instrument cluster is a combination of analog and digital displays, offering key driving information with excellent visibility. Space has always been one of the Honda City's strengths, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. There's ample legroom and headroom in both front and rear seats, making it one of the more spacious sedans in its category. Rear passengers get center armrests with cup holders, dedicated AC vents, and adjustable headrests, ensuring comfort even on longer journeys. The trunk space is also generous, accommodating over 500 liters of cargo, which is more than enough for weekend getaways or grocery runs. Tech and safety features are another highlight. The 2025 City is equipped with Honda sensing in select markets, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and road departure mitigation. These driver assistance systems bring the City closer to semi-autonomous driving capabilities, enhancing both convenience and safety. Additional features include a rear-view camera, parking sensors, hill start assist, electronic stability control, and up to 6 airbags, depending on the variant. It's a thoughtful package that makes the car not just smart, but also reassuringly safe.